Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, as you have seen, and I don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna keep this video quiet and ASMR, but still, I wanted to give you a little update of today because besides clean the house and make it beautiful and have a whole reset, I'm gonna be receiving today in approximately 1 to 2 hours a new whole sofa, as well with one coffee table, one side table, and a small lamp. So I'm so excited for that. I'm looking forward to make the space better, more beautiful. And as well, we are planning to decorate it a bit more. We are gonna be receiving one whole dining table with some chairs, 2 big lamps, and as well, I'm planning to put a paper lamp here, and as well some paintings to make the space not as empty. But still, I'm quite rookie with this wall and with the interior design and furniture because it's been only 2 years since I moved out of my parents and I have my own space. So if you have any recommendations in any way that I could make this space more beautiful and better and warmer, let me know down below. So yeah, that being said, let's continue with our day and make the space more beautiful and cleaner. The sofa arrived officially. Damn, it's so big, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. The guy just told me that in total there are 12 boxes like these ones. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so much work. Sundays must be chill, but definitely this one is none of those Sundays.
This is like way more than expected. This is a couch, coffee table,
And side table. I'm so happy, extremely happy, and as well so exhausted. It's now 3-4 p.m. and I've been since 8-9 a.m. cleaning and getting all this new furniture and putting well together everything. And as I said, I couldn't be happier. I'm super proud of how this turned out. All this furniture that you are seeing is from Thuma. The couch, the coffee table, and the side table as well. Again, I'm happy with the selections that I have made as well, with this white and brown color palette that I think is my favorite, and as well with the small details like the books, the lamps, the incense, and how make the space so cozy and warm. I think it's the first time that I'm really proud and comfortable in the place that I live in. With the previous furniture was also good and I was happy about it, but this is something else. This is the next level and makes the space so beautiful. As I said in the beginning, I'm planning to upgrade more the space and getting new things like some paintings back here, the paper lamp as well, and a new dining table, some more chairs. So I'm looking forward to that. And if you have any recommendations and suggestions of things that I could change, add and implement, please let me know down below. I'm looking forward to read all of you guys and together make this space more beautiful, because I'm sure you know much more than me. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, see you in the next one.